I just got my bag today in the mail, and I decided to go ahead and throw all of my stuff from my old diaper bag into this bag. So I'm going to show you guys what I put in it already. I left it as the backpack because that's primarily how I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to make this. So I have it packed for how, if I was going to leave the house, what I would take with me. I'm primarily going to use this as my work bag. My son gets to go to work with me, so I kind of have to take all my work stuff and then some stuff for him. So the first thing I have is wipes, obviously. I have 2 diapers down at the bottom. Pull those out. Those right there. My son has a lot of allergies, so I have his EpiPen, his little bag of medicine just in case it has a reaction while I'm at work, my notebook for work, my computer, big old computer there, and then I have 1 water bottle that I put on one side, and then my giant water bottle. Okay, that is the world's biggest water bottle. It's a 40-ounce water. It's not the biggest, but it's pretty big. 40 ounces, and it fits in that. That's amazing. That's my favorite part. So yeah, that's all the stuff I have just right now. My wallet and my keys are in this one. I probably put my chapstick in there. There's also a really cool pouch back here that I don't even know what to put in there, but I'm sure I'll find something. But yeah, there's tons of room. Like, I still have a lot of room to fill. I just don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet. But yeah, it's an awesome bag and I love it.